Hey guys, Aaron from Wilde Signs. Wilde Signs is a print and sign shop based out of West Michigan, and we're doing a YouTube series of tips, tricks, and tutorials for graphic design and setting signs up and everything in that vein. I got a quick tip for you guys right now. So this is episode 5, and we're going to call it Saving Photoshop Presets. So basically, I don't know about you, but there's custom sizes that I constantly use for printed signs and for the web. And so you can actually save presets to save you time if it's something that you set up over and over and over. So we're going to set one up so I can show you how to do it real quick. So basically, come over here. I'm going to make this an 8x8 square. So I'm going to go 8 inches by 8 inches. Here's the really nice thing. You can save the resolution, the color mode, the background color, and so I screw up sometimes where, say I'm doing a pump topper, which is a 20 by 12 print, and I leave the color mode on RGB, and then later on I have to switch it to CMYK and my colors get messed up. So this is really nice for things that you do on a regular basis. You can make sure that your settings are correct and that you didn't screw it up. So let's make this 300 res, and we're going to move this down to CMYK, and we're going to leave the background color white, and instead of clicking create, we're going to come up by the name, or we're going to click this drop down arrow. Here's where we put the name. So I'm going to call this 8x8 print, and all I do is click Save Preset, and boom, it already pulls you up to your saved folder. You can see I've got a bunch made, and there's our 8x8 print. Some things I've added personally are 4K HD video Facebook header. That's a nice size because I can never remember it. I actually have to go Google it every time, and that's a waste. I've got Instagram, a blog image size, and some other print stuff. So this is a great place to save presets. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Feel free to subscribe if you want to watch more episodes on tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.